So I got bored and sad, so I decided to make a makeup tutorial, or like an updated one. I uploaded one like 2 years ago, and I don't know, I usually do these when I get bored, so let's start. So I'm not good at makeup, but I wear it to cover up a lot of things. It's an NXN primer. I got it with like a kit, and I got a really bad allergic reaction to like the face cleanser and like the mask, but this works really good, so I stuck with this. Also, I lost my hydro flask, so I've spent so long looking for it. I think my sister hid it because she's just mean. And, I actually found it today. It was hidden like really deep inside a cabinet, like in the back of a cabinet, but for some reason it just looks different. Like I had a hydro flask, it was yellow, but then for some reason like now it just looks completely different. I don't know what happened to it. So yeah, okay, first of all, I'm gonna start with Laura Mercier BB cream. I like have a lot of trouble spots, but I'm just not down to put a bunch of foundation all over my face so it could just slide off at the end of the day. I know some people like make it not slide off, but I can't do that. I'm just not that good at makeup, and I don't want to get better. Okay, so I just put this all over my face, and then I just like blend it in, you know? I just want to say, my nephew Benjamin, the most annoying person I've ever met in my whole entire life. For real, I've never met anyone more annoying, human and baby form. He's just hands down the most annoying person ever. I try to sleep in every single day, but for some reason every day at like 8 or 9, I hear him screaming that he wants someone to put Daniel Tiger on the TV. No one does it. They just give him his iPad, but he wants Daniel Tiger, and he's not gonna stop screaming until someone puts Daniel Tiger. So what I do, I go downstairs, I put Daniel Tiger on for him, not quiet, and then all of a sudden I'm just not tired, so I just stay down there. So after that, I'm gonna add concealer, the Adrian one. I took off the sponge only because it freaks me out, but like knowing that like I keep turning it and then like the concealer from like yesterday is still there, freaks me out. So I just like took it off, and then I just use like a brush to put it under my eyes and on this eye and like on my acne. Is it just me, or is everyone gay? If we were all gay, there would be no war, literally. Oh yeah, so now I'm just blending it in. For some reason, it's just not blending in. I haven't worn makeup in like weeks, probably a month actually. I've just been like at home crying every single day. So depression is real. You just like don't want to do anything. You cry out of nowhere. I was in the middle of the mall 2 days ago, and me and my mom couldn't find a table, and I started crying. I started crying because we couldn't find a table. Oh my god. And the worst thing is we did find one, and my mom's like, run to go get it. Obviously I'm not gonna run, but I did like move really fast to go get it, and as soon as I was like getting close to it, some lady grabs it and moves it to her table. Don't move the, oh my god. But I was just so angry. I'm just like, why do you have to move the table? You already have a huge table right in front of you. But yeah, she didn't end up using that table. She used it to put all the bags on that table, and I was just like, me and my mom are trying to eat. We were really gonna use this fucking table. Anyways. So now what I'm gonna do is, I don't really know what I do after. Oh, I basically just set my powder. I think I know how to bake. I don't know how to bake. Oh my god, this shit literally went into my fucking nose. Oh, put that shit in here, and then that's not enough. And then what you're gonna do is get your beauty blender, or actually I don't use beauty blenders, I use the Real Techniques shit because it's the same thing. But yeah, I just put it under my eyes, then right here, basically everywhere that I get like super oily for no reason. Honestly, and my goal in makeup is not to completely cover my acne, not because like, I don't know, I never fully cover my acne. Like I could really try, but I mean, if you don't try, then people don't expect you to like bring something, you know? So after that, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. While that like sets in, I'm just gonna move this shit. Do my eyebrows with this shit, you know? Also, I'm thinking about going blondish orange. So like basically dyeing my hair like a peachy orange. I was supposed to do that before I go to a trip on it. My god, can I fucking talk? I was supposed to dye my hair for Italy, and I don't know, I just got too sad. I didn't want to do anything. So that just didn't happen, but like that's still not out of my books. Like I'm thinking about doing it. I don't know when. I just don't have enough commitment for anything. I mean, I do, but I don't. You know what I mean? Comment down below if you know what I mean. Okay, so I used to like hate Dua Lipa, that bitch. But I heard, I think it's called One Kiss. I think the Calvin Harris one. And I just want to shuffle to that song. Honestly, I'm trying to learn how to shuffle. I'm bringing shuffling back. The thing is, I see all these people shuffle. I think that's the coolest thing ever. Like, I wish I could shuffle. I wish I could like show up at any party and shuffle to any song. If I could shuffle to an Ed Sheeran song, I could shuffle to anything. Okay, and then from the rest of the concealer that I have on this, I just like, you know, make them like cleaner, you know? Sophomore year of high school, I went to this eyebrow place down the street from my house only because I was too lazy to go to like where I usually get my eyebrows done. I was too lazy to go there, and I was like, this place is like literally, I could walk there. But did I walk? No, I drove there. So I drove there and like I got my eyebrows done, and for some reason it just took strangely too long. Like usually when I get my eyebrows done, it's pretty fast, only because I don't wait that long to get my eyebrows done, and I have like a really sharp shape already, so it's not that hard to like do it. I mean, I could do my own eyebrows, but I don't trust myself that much. And then yeah, so I get up, and you know how they hand you the mirror every time you do it? Like they're like, good work, right? I fucking got that mirror and I looked at myself and I was like, who are you? I was so angry. Literally thin. There was like nothing at the end of both my eyebrows, and like I was so shy. Like I'm honestly like a shy person. Like I won't tell someone that I don't like something, only because I feel bad. So I just look at her, I'm like, you look great, thank you. And I went home, and like I come inside the house and I look at my sister and I go, they look good, right? And then she was just like, oh my god, what happened? And as soon as she said that, started crying, hardcore crying. I like couldn't stop. I was like, this is it, I'm not going to school anymore. I can't go to school tomorrow. I can't go to school for the rest of like these 3 weeks that it takes for my eyebrows to grow back. I was freaking out. I was like, this is it, like I can't do this anymore. Like I was gonna shave off my eyebrows because I was like, they're already fucked up, might as well like start again. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna bronze my face with the Hula light because I'm super pale. I have to use a lighter shade because whatever. But I didn't shave him off. I called my friend Davina and I was just like, you need to teach me how to like fill in eyebrows because my eyebrow lady fucked up. Not even fucked up, she destroyed me. Like I think she hated me. She had something out for me. I feel like to mess up that bad, she must have like, I must have done something to her in the past. But yeah, so she was like, relax, I'll send you some videos on how to fill in your eyebrows. She starts sending me these videos, and luckily I had already purchased like some eyebrow powder from MAC, only because like some lady did it on me and I was like, wow, like I need this powder. But yeah, so I just use I tried the first time to do my eyebrows, couldn't do it. Like I couldn't even remember the shape of my eyebrows. Like I was just like, oh my god, like I'm literally gonna have to go to school with no fucking eyebrows. I was so angry. Like people were obviously gonna know. I was up till like, yeah, so I was up till like 3 in the morning, and I was like, you know what, and I finally got the right shape, and I was like, I'm gonna sleep with this on only because I don't want to wake up tomorrow morning and then like not be ready in time because I keep messing up. So I fell asleep, woke up smeared, all gone. I had 20 minutes and luckily I kind of remembered like what I did, and I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna go back to school like this, like it doesn't matter anymore. So then I went to school. People were just like, your eyebrows look good today, and I'm like, I don't have eyebrows. I'm using some e.l.f. liner to do my wing. Moral of the story, keep going to the same eyebrow place. If you like what they do, don't just like go somewhere else because it's closer. Okay, this one's done. Oh my god, who the fuck is she? You know what, yeah, I don't care. I could literally hear my sister outside yelling to Benjamin. First of all, why don't we? I'm coming for you pretty much is way better. I've been writing a lot in my journal because I am sad. The thing is, I've been thinking about death so much that I freak myself out. Like, it just freaks me out. And then I think like, damn, once I'm gone, I'm gone. Like, once I'm gone, I'm gone. Like, that's it, you know? I'm nothing in this world. No one's nothing. Okay, yeah, so last I'm just gonna use some highlighter. The thing is, this isn't like, I don't know if this is like highlight, I don't know, it just makes me look like glossy, like not really like highlighter. It just makes me look sweaty, and I like the sweaty look, you know? I like looking like I just ran a couple of miles. That's my conspiracy. I feel like people at the gym don't actually like sweat. They just take highlighter and then put it all over their face, and then like go take a picture and then be like, just worked out for 40 billion minutes. Okay, so last year I was really into working out. Like, I loved working out. I actually didn't like working out. I was angry at someone. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get like in the best shape, and then they'll see me and then be like, wow. And then I'm like, I'm such an idiot now thinking about it. I'm like, I had to fucking change for this person, and I was just like, oh my god, I'm talking about this. I was like really into working out only because I wanted to change the way I looked. I just wanted to change the way I looked. I was just like, if I change, maybe this person will like, God, I fucked up, you know? She's beautiful. And then I think about it and I'm just like, I don't know. I wouldn't want someone to be with me because of looks. I want them to be with me because they love me and because of the money I have. So back to the topic, I don't know. I think I've always struggled with insecurity only because all these girls or like people, and I'm just like, they're so good looking, like they're beautiful and they mean something to the world, I guess, in a way. I mean, when they die, people will recognize them. I'll miss you if you die. Also, it's just weird. I think I'm going crazy. I'm literally in here talking to myself on the camera to not go on my bed and cry, but I mean, that's a step, you know? Okay guys, well this is it. I have nothing else to talk about. If you like this video, like and subscribe. If you hated this, comment why you hate it. Actually, don't comment. If you don't like this video, don't watch it. Why did you even watch all of it? Oh my god, if you comment something mean, I'm gonna cry. I'm literally gonna cry. Kidding, I'm not gonna cry, but I mean, I'll cry for other reasons. I'll probably end up crying tonight, but not because of people's comments. Unless they're nice, then I might end up crying for that.